Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the Govee Table Lamp 2, exploring its key features, quick start guide, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Govee Table Lamp 2, a power adapter, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Product overview. Installation. To install the device, connect the power adapter cable to the DC port. Then plug the power adapter into a suitable power outlet. Once connected, the device will turn on and be ready for setup. How to pair. To pair the device, make sure you have a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network with 802.11b/g/n support, as 5 GHz networks are not supported. Download the Govee Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app, tap the plus icon, and search for the device model. Select the device icon and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process and connect your device. Smart features? Create vibrant lighting effects with multiple colors displayed together, smooth transitions, and customizable scenes through the Govee Home app. Control your lighting easily with voice commands, app access, automation routines, and smart home platforms like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Matter. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Govee Table Lamp 2. See you in the next one.